Unleash unstoppable fun and adventure with the Q137 RC Car, a versatile and rugged 8-wheel amphibious off-road climbing stunt vehicle designed for kids and adults alike. Engineered with robust materials and cutting-edge technology, this all-terrain remote-controlled car is built to conquer challenging landscapes, whether it's rocky trails, muddy paths, or shallow water, making it the perfect gift toy for outdoor enthusiasts and young explorers eager to master driving skills. At the core of the Q137's impressive performance is its powerful 35A brushless waterproof electronic speed controller, ESC, paired with a Metal Gear planetary differential gear system, delivering smooth power distribution and superior torque for climbing, drifting, and high-speed stunt execution. The car's durable construction combines metal, premium electronic components, and tough plastics, ensuring it withstands the rigors of intense off-road action and wet environments without losing control or speed. The Q137 operates on a reliable 2.4 GHz frequency, providing interference-free control with a responsive pistol-style remote. This intuitive controller features 2 game modes that offer customizable driving experiences, allowing users to switch between different performance settings to suit their skill level or terrain type. With an impressive remote control range of up to 25 meters, pilots have plenty of space to test their driving limits and perform exciting maneuvers. Designed for children aged 8 and above as well as adults, this electric RC car is an excellent choice for birthday parties, Christmas gifts, or just pure recreational fun. Beyond entertainment, playing with the Q137 helps develop hand-eye coordination, spatial awareness, and problem-solving skills, making it an engaging and educational toy. Powered by a 7.4 volts 900 mAh lithium battery, the Q137 offers approximately 25 to 30 minutes of continuous driving per charge, with a charging time of about 2 hours, ensuring ample playtime and quick turnaround. The transmitter requires 2 Ah batteries, not included, providing flexible and convenient power management. Measuring 300 x 170 x 140 mm, the car's compact yet commanding size makes it easy to handle while delivering stable and agile performance across various terrains. Its striking yellow and black color scheme adds to its rugged aesthetic and visibility during fast-paced play. Included in the package is everything needed to get started immediately: the RC car with built-in battery, a pistol-style transmitter, a charger, essential tools for maintenance and repairs, and a user manual for quick setup and operation. Key features: 2.4 GHz radio remote with 2 game modes, easy pistol-style controller with up to 25 meters range and customizable driving modes for beginners and advanced users. Amphibious all-terrain capability, designed to drive and perform stunts on land and water, including climbing, drifting, and off-road exploration. Durable build and powerful drive, Metal Gear planetary differential and 35A brushless waterproof ESC provide superior torque, power, and reliability. Long playtime and quick charge, up to 30 minutes of continuous use powered by a rechargeable 7.4 volts 900 mAh lithium battery with a 2-hour charging time. Perfect gift for kids and adults. Suitable for ages 8+, combines entertainment with skill development and outdoor fun. Whether racing through rugged terrain, sliding across water, or performing daring stunts, the Q137 RC car delivers thrilling performance and endless excitement. Its advanced technical features and durable design make it a standout choice for anyone seeking adventure on 4 wheels.